Hello everyone, my name is Shrey Makwana and my ID number is 1990-059 and my fellow collaborator name is Tejas Ladani and his ID number is 1990-058. Our project is file transfer and chat Android application. This is a simple application that can help you to transfer your files from one device to the other. It can also help you to send text messages from one device to other. It is a simple application that use Wi-Fi and hotspot to create connection between the two devices. I would like to show you the simple logic behind this application. Here in the image you can see that one device becomes a server and the other device becomes a client. Both the devices start on the same time and then the server creates an IP address of its own. Now the client uses that IP address to connect to that device. Once the connection has been set up, now you can transfer your text messages or files. I would like to point out the current limitations of our project. Up till now, we have figured out the chat part of our Android application. Currently, the app can help you to transfer text messages from one device to other. The app is not capable of doing any file transfers. I would like to show you the demo of our application. As you can see, both the devices have started the application. Now, I will make a server on the RMX 1801 device. To make a server, you have to go to services and then create a hotspot. As you can see, the hotspot is turned on. Now, now on the client side, on the other device, LB Lenovo TV, you have to make a client. To make a client, click on the receive button. As soon as you click on the receive button, the Wi-Fi will be automatically turned on and it will detect the device and connect with it. Now on the RMX device, turn on to turn on the server, click on the send button. As you can see, there is a IP here. Now you have to enter this IP address on the client side. Also, you can see the port number 8080. Now you have to also enter the port number on the client side. Once you click on the connect to server button, you can see that both the devices are being connected. Now, if I send a message from the server side, example hi from server, now clicking on the send button, you will see that the client gets the message. Now I can do the same with the client. As you can see, both the devices can message back and forth. Also, now if you want to send your files, click on the files button. Now choose any category of file you want to send. If I select an image, I will be directed to the server activity bag. And now if I click on the show path button, I will see a path there. Now if I click on the send button, it will start transferring. But currently the app does not support any file transfer, hence it cannot transfer your files. The motivation behind developing this application was that we were facing problems transferring our files from our Android device to PC, and hence we thought of making an interface, but the knowledge that we possessed was not enough, and hence we settled for an Android application. Up till now, we have only done the chat part. In the further updates, we aim to build application that can do transfers in cross platforms, as well as it can also transfer files between your Android device to PC, and obviously it can then transfer your files from one Android device to the other.